In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add images to your slides using LibreOffice Impress. Whether you're preparing a compelling presentation for work, school, or your own personal project, integrating visuals can truly enhance the communication of your ideas. Now, let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll want to open up LibreOffice Impress on your computer. This is your go-to software for creating presentations similar to what you would with tools like PowerPoint or Google Slides. Once your computer is up and running, locate the LibreOffice icon and give it a double click. This will bring up the Start Center, which acts as your gateway to all the various LibreOffice applications. In this hub, find and click on Impress Presentation. You'll notice several templates that you might find useful, but for today's purposes, feel free to choose any template that suits your style or opt for a blank slate by clicking Open to start fresh. Now that you're inside the program, your next task is to navigate to the specific slide where you want your image to be placed. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see the Slides pane. This section acts as a quick navigator, displaying all your slides in sequence. Simply click on the slide where you wish to insert the image. It's a straightforward way to maintain your flow as you move through your presentation. Next, let's insert your desired image. Look towards the top of your screen and find the menu. Here, you'll see an option that says Insert. Click on it, and a drop-down will reveal itself. From there, select Image. Doing this will pop open a file browser window, which is essentially the gateway to all the images stored on your computer. Take your time to locate the image you'd like to use for your slide. Once you've found it and are satisfied with your choice, highlight it and click the Open button. You should see your image appear on the slide almost instantaneously. With your image now on the slide, let's take a moment to adjust it to suit your needs. If you want to resize the image, click on it to reveal little squares or handles at the corners and sides. By clicking and dragging these handles, you can make the image larger, smaller, wider, or narrower, tailoring it to fit perfectly within the frame of your slide. When it comes to repositioning, you can simply click on the image and drag it to the desired spot on your slide. Now, if there are any parts of the image you feel are unnecessary, or if you want to focus on a specific section, cropping can be your go-to tool. To do this, right-click on the image, and from the menu that appears, select the Crop option. This feature allows you to trim parts of the image, highlighting what's essential for your message. And there you have it. A smooth process to add, adjust, and optimize images in LibreOffice Impress.